Hello and welcome to our fifth live stream. I apologize if there's a bit of a problem with the entire setup because I had to reduce the um, the resolution of my stream because I think that's one of the reasons why there is a delay or a huge latency with like the chat, with the super chat, subscription, etc. And yeah, so I tried to work on it. I tried to make it work, but there seems to be a problem. And another issue that I'm facing right now is the alerts. It seems to be not working. So let me just get a moment and reload that chat box. So I can't really see anything at the moment. Perhaps it's not being displayed. There we go. Okay, there we go. Well, let me just refresh it, just in case. Awesome. So we have a few chat or messages from AJ Rabari. I have sent you an email, but I have not got your reply. Let me check my email. Hold on. But while I'm doing that, I will proceed to the next one from Eero from Eero TK. Hello there. Welcome. How's everyone's Christmas at the moment? I hope everyone's having a blast. Yesterday we made such a huge progress with the entire Shopify theme development, and we made the hero section, we made the schemas, we fixed some bugs with the navigational bar, and not only that, we also worked on our Discord server, and now everyone can just join us and just have fun there. So if you're also interested to join that Discord server, perhaps I can show you a link on how to join there, and you can chill with us. Okay, once again from AJ. I have sent you an email, but I have not got a response. Yeah, which email address did you send it? Because at the moment I'm looking at my account and I don't see any email. Unless you were talking about, but I don't think that was you. It was Soham yesterday. No, I don't think I received any email from you. Okay. From Eero, yeah, please link us to your Discord. Maybe I can do that. Give me a second. So there should be a way here that I can invite you. Okay, so I copied it and I will paste it here in the chat. And you should be able to join that Discord server and you can hang out with us. At the moment I'm still figuring it out like how to set it up, like how to change or give it a welcome message, or make it a proper Discord server. But yesterday was just a mess because we installed a bot and everyone is just having fun with it. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like, you know what, let's just let everyone do whatever. If that makes a lot of sense. So today the plan is to have a bit of a fun because it's Christmas, it's holiday, and maybe we can just, chill for a little bit. However, I'm also open to questions, and if you guys want to share something like a link or a message that I can read, and what can we do? Maybe you want me to review something, look at your code, maybe give you some tips. That's one of the things that we can do tonight. Okay? But however, if there are no questions whatsoever, then I will continue with the Shopify theme development that we've been working on since yesterday. So that being said, let me try and open our code editor. Which should be open now. And while we're doing that, I'm still checking my email account, and unfortunately, AJ, I have not received an email whatsoever. So I apologize. Maybe you can resend an email and we can take a look at it together. Okay? From Farhan Sheikh, hello. Merry Christmas to you. How are you doing? Do you celebrate Christmas? I hope you guys are having a blast today. It's a well-deserved break. You know, I feel like 2023 has been such a challenging year. And I think we deserve that kind of rest or, chill. You don't celebrate it, and that is okay. And to be honest, I could say the same thing. I'd like to. In fact, after this, I might go somewhere and then just spend the rest of the night outdoors and enjoy Christmas. Because I think the weather seems okay. So perhaps I can do something tonight. But also, of course, I don't want to forget about you guys. I want to spend a bit of a time or a couple of hours with you to celebrate this 2023. 2023 is such an important year for all of us. I would say that. I am great, Farhan. I am good. What about you? I am feeling great, honestly. I mean, I could feel a little bit lonely here and there, but now that I am streaming, now that I started this kind of event in our community, I started to feel better, and it feels great. I could say that. A lot of things happened, and I just want to try new things. I just can't wait to I was working on the script for this week final video. I also worked on a YouTube short, which is really fun. I did it today. Finished it. I'll publish it probably this Monday or tomorrow. Not Monday, but Tuesday, around those time. And the final video would be around on Thursday. At least that's the plan. Do you think that the IT boom due to COVID is now ended? Overall speaking, through IT business perspective, do you think that the booming of information technology due to COVID has ended? Overall speaking, through IT. Speaking through IT perspective, I would say, if you put it this way, remember Shopify is such a big thing during COVID. The e-commerce was such a big thing during COVID. And I would say the same thing for like software engineering, everyone's just doing online jobs because of COVID. And now that everything seems to be back to normal, then I guess feels that way, that everything has ended. But I don't know, our industry is quite fragile at this point because of, couple months ago, a year ago, it was the layoffs. And I think it's still the same issue. We still have that issue where everyone's just getting laid off. It's not easy to get a job right now. Unless you're really good at computers or programming, then even if it's a bit competitive, you'd be able to get a job. But still, it's an issue. So yeah, to answer your question, perhaps it has ended. And personally, I'll add something to it. Personally, it didn't feel like something changed. You know what I mean? It feels like still the same. Maybe it's just me because I'm working remotely like every single day. If I could ask you, what about where you're currently living? Does it feel like it has ended already? I'm getting some hearts. Thank you so much, guys. Perhaps that means that we're doing great today. It's holiday, it's Christmas. So, yeah. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, let me know. And let me just take a look at our Discord server. Maybe I'm getting notifications and I just don't notice that. Okay, some of you joined. Is there even a way to see how many people joined the server? Oh, there's this show member list. So in total we have 8 people or 9 people, including me. Okay, so yeah, that was great. It's a good start for a Discord server at least. I'd also announce it to my WeeklyHow students and to my Udemy students. Perhaps they'd want to join the server. But before I do that, I'd want to set it up first. I want to make everything properly set up before making it an official Discord server, because right now I wouldn't say it's an official Discord server. Yesterday it was just like, do you have a Discord server? Yeah, I do. I used to have one. I prepared it, but it was not even fully prepared. So I just posted the URL and everyone joined, and yeah, it was such a mess. From AJ, I have sent you. Hold on, before I read yours, I think some companies that rely on US clients got a big setback in post COVID. Perhaps, maybe. Though I haven't followed the news in a while, fortunately. So maybe there was a big setback in the US. From AJ, I have sent you an email on December 4th. Would you mind if you send it once again? Because it's been a couple of weeks, so. And I received plenty of emails. So I'm not sure I'd be able to find it. Maybe I can just search your name. It's filled your website contact us form. Okay. So that means it's in the contact at weeklyhow.com. Oh, I think. No, this is not it. This was like 2021. Does it say like I have a query for Shopify app development? No, this was like 2 years ago. This was 2 years ago. I searched your name on my contact at weeklyhow.com account, and you even sent me an email, and that was Shopify app development. So that's all. That's the only email I received from you. Unless my contact form is bugging. Let me take a look at it. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, by the way, we're also streaming on Twitch. Because we talked about this yesterday. And some of you wanted me to start streaming on other platforms, and yeah, we're doing it. I mean, there's nothing wrong to multi-stream, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hold on. I'm going to check my contact form because it's been a while since I checked that. Maybe there's an update and I was not able to receive any emails. I noticed that as well. I haven't received any email from WeeklyHow. Two eight. Tuck tuck tuck. Okay. From AJ, let me just read through all of your chat. December 4, 2023, email subject, need your core PHP Shopify app development source code. Okay. I don't have it, unfortunately. From Marcel, hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Merry Christmas to all of you. If you're celebrating Christmas, I wish you happy holidays. And yeah, we're gonna be celebrating all together here. I hope you guys don't mind that. Maybe just a couple of hours, spend time with me. I mean, I'd appreciate that. From Farhan Sheikh, we can integrate Next.js with Shopify, right? Yeah. I mean, yes. But then how can we give options to our clients to customize it, like changing colors or images, etc.? Again, need more context. Because there's always multiple ways to do what you're looking for. Next.js is just a way to create a web app. An API, a server. Because when you say Next.js with Shopify, then you're talking about Shopify app development now. Thank you, Marcel. I appreciate that. From Ahmad, hey, welcome to the stream. Good to see every single one of you. Yes. Merry Christmas to you as well, Ahmad, if you're celebrating it. Otherwise, happy holidays. For Farhan, once again, with Next.js, we can make headless Shopify theme. I'd recommend Hydrogen instead. It'll make it much easier to create a headless e-commerce theme or e-commerce store. But once again, let me just check the email thing. Do you have a receipt of that email, AJ? Okay, I have plenty of things to do with our platform. Yep. I'll work on this later because there's many things that I need to update. But regarding the contact form, let me just take a look at the entries. Okay, let me try it. From Ahmad, thank you for the comment. Thanks for your course. After a few years, mostly helped me. Thank you so much for taking them. I appreciate your time that you put into it, like just learning from it. Yeah, I did my best to provide as much info as possible to help my students to learn Shopify development. And I'm glad that it helped some of you. And just hearing this kind of like comments from you guys is just amazing. And I appreciate it. It's one of the blessings that I've received for like 2 years, 3 years. And I can't like ask for more. I'm grateful. To every single one of you who took my course, thank you so much. And of course, I'm grateful to every single one of you who joined me tonight on this special day. Right? So yeah, thank you. I'm always open to comments, suggestions, or if there's anything else I can do to improve. I'm always open. Okay. From Marcel, what are you sorry, what are you doing on theme today? Another section. I'd like to continue with the 404 template file and maybe the next template file too. But the plan is, I was worried because it's holiday. So maybe most of you guys won't be available because you guys will be celebrating it with your family, and that is okay. So I thought maybe we can just chill. Maybe I can just ask questions if there are questions. Maybe I can read some of your messages, read some of your work. If you guys can share an open source work that you've been working on. That was the idea before. But it looks like some of you are available, and I appreciate it. And maybe we can continue with the Shopify theme development today. From AJ, I'm working on the contact form, and unfortunately, I don't think I've received that. Maybe there is a bug with it, which is very unfortunate. Is there any way that you can resend it? I don't think so. I'm very sorry. I apologize for that. So I'm trying the contact form. It says that oh yeah, it's working then. I received email. So it's not my contact form then. I have it. Then why I don't have your email? Or maybe you can just post here in the chat. Well, what was the issue? What do you want? That's such a bizarre question. What do you want? Like, what was the email about? If you can summarize it. So core PHP source code for Shopify apps. Okay, it's always on my GitHub account. It should be there. So let's open it. github.com/Polidario. Okay, here, right? So let's take a look at all of my projects. Let's see if I can search it. Shopify app. It's this one. Supposed to be this one. No, it's not this one. Oh, that means I don't have it. Really? I don't have it? I don't have it. I'm pretty sure I thought I have it. Hold on, let me scroll through this. Should be Elena? No, not this one. Oh no. It's not this one either. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think I don't have it. And since my my laptop was stolen last month, I don't have all my projects. I'll try to find a way. Maybe I can go back to the course and just watch it and rewrite everything again. I can do that. If you can give me time to do that, I would do that. So yeah, I apologize. I'm sorry. It's gone. I would love to see how you manage that code. That's actually a good idea. Actually, a good idea. Maybe we can do it live, but not today. Maybe we can do it live. Is that something that you guys would be interested in? Let's do a Shopify app development in core PHP. That would be great. That would be really great. Awesome. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so let's set that up like next week. What day are those? So today is 24. Next week is going to be 29, 30, and 31. So those days, 29 of December, 30 of December, and 31st of December, we will be streaming same time, and we'll be focusing on Shopify app development, core PHP. I don't think it's gonna take that much time because everything is already on the course. Maybe there's going to be changes here and there, but it should be fine. Yeah, I think I had blogs, articles about Shopify app development using core PHP, but it was like a long time ago. I think it was like 2017, 2018. Those are the articles that skyrocketed my entire Shopify career. So I remember yesterday there was a question about if I can you know, start promoting my brand to get clients as a freelancer. What should I do? I would write articles, I would write blogs about Shopify app development or Shopify development in general. Yeah, because that's how I started. Started like writing articles about it. And that helped a lot. A lot. Okay, so that's a deal. That's what we're gonna do. Next week, we'll be focusing on Shopify app development. Okay? But today, we'll have some fun. We'll enjoy ourselves today. It's holiday season. It's going to be about our beloved Shrek project. Okay? So let's do that. I'll just set up my my working environment before we start. So that should be Shopify theme dev here. And we also need to run our Tailwind CSS. That's for sure. So CSS, Tailwind, and now npx, Tailwind. No, maybe we can just run here. Okay, so npx, Tailwind, CSS, input, output, watch. Perfect. From AJ, thanks. I'm following you since 20. Yeah, I noticed that because I've read your email. Like your very first email, I would assume that was your first email. That was like back in 2021. But that's very surprising that you've been following me since 2019. I really appreciate that. I was not like, when I started WeeklyHow, obviously we were just a small community. We're not really that big. And just knowing there is someone like you, AJ, who's been following him like since 2019, that means a lot to me. So yeah, so thank you. Thank you for being part of WeeklyHow, this community. It's appreciated. Thank you for the love. I needed that. I needed that today, especially today. Give me some love. Okay, so enough of that cheesy scene. Let's start working on our Shopify theme development, shall we? Okay, so there's a problem here. We should change our current directory. Here we go. So change directory, live WeeklyHow, and we're going to execute here the Shopify theme dev command. Okay. From Soham Paul. Hello guys. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back, Soham. It's good to see you once again. Yesterday, I'm not sure if you have seen the stream where I reviewed the link that you shared to us. Maybe you missed that, but yeah, we took a look at the Shopify online store that you shared, and it was actually pretty good. There's not much I can say, but there's like parts of it that maybe you can change. You know, I'm not even sure what you want me to do with the URL that you shared. But yeah, you can watch the previous stream if you missed it. We talked about it there. From AJ, thanks for putting the content, more power and love. Thank you so much. Honestly, making content, making videos, and doing this stream is now something that I really enjoy doing. Right? I love it and I'm enjoying it. And I just like doing it. I wish it's gonna be the same like for years. I mean, come on, I've been doing it since 2019. I still feel the same. Right. So thank you for being consistent and being part of this community, for keep watching my work. It's appreciated. From Soham, thanks for the compliment. No, it was actually really great. I like your work. Actually, in India, it was almost 11:30 p.m. I was feeling sleepy. That's why I closed the stream. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Yeah, I agree. It was quite late. So maybe if you guys are very different from like time zone, what am I about to say? The time zone is very different from mine, so maybe I'll adjust the time, like move it a bit back, like 5:30 or something, or 4:30. I could do it. But since my internship ends like 5 p.m., it's quite unfortunate. It's quite impossible to do that. So yeah. For now, I can just start like 5 p.m. Paris time. So that would be like 4 p.m. on UTC time zone. I'm not sure how it's gonna be on other countries, for other countries. Okay, so that being said, we have finally initiated our Shopify theme dev. We have initiated our Tailwind CSS command. I guess we can start. We can continue working on our 404. Okay? So let me just open our template 404 and we can start working here. Okay? But the design, what do we want in this 404? So let's start with a section and let's just display like 404 not found. So H1 404 not found. And maybe we can type here like a paragraph tag and say, oops, it seems to me like, it seems that, no, it looks like you are lost. And there's going to be a button, an anchor tag with an href off. We can use here the object routes and then the root URL right here. And then we can say, go back. From Soham, no, you can't satisfy whole world. Please continue in convenient time. Thank you, I appreciate that. Okay, then I'll stay with the plan. Because yeah, honestly, as much as possible, I'd like to get enough people to, interact with. That would be really great. From Sign Dog, hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Yes, we are doing the last stream for this week. I'm gonna be going back next week once again. I'm great. It's starting to feel like Christmas. I mean, it is Christmas. I'm great. Thank you so much for asking. How are you doing? It's a bit dark now. Hold on. Yeah, it's a bit dark. But it's great. Thank you so much for asking. How are you all doing? All good. Great. I'm happy to know that. Are you celebrating Christmas tonight? Or today? I like asking that question because obviously some people don't celebrate Christmas. Okay, so let me just open a new browser tab so we can see our work. Okay. From Sign Dog, will you answer that question I left on Discord? Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot about that. Hold on. What was your question again last time? Let me just show it then. So everyone can see it. It was on the lobby, right? Okay. I assume this is you. Right? So I got this client who wants to build an online store. So I was thinking either doing it all from scratch with Next.js or leveraging Shopify platform. I would say it depends. I thought about this last night. It depends of like the features of the app, the web application that you're trying to build or your client wants you to make. Because obviously building a web application from scratch takes a lot of time. If your client have budget to build that app, then go for it. But if like the budget is too low and can't really manage it well, then I'd say as much as possible, save time and use Shopify. At least you don't have to worry about like other things, or it's just an API. You can work with API. Or maybe I'm missing the point of your question. From Marcel, I'm currently programming my own Shopify theme. Can I send you the link once the landing page is finished? And could you provide feedback? Of course! Why not? This is the whole point of this stream. This is called theme development and chill. No, seriously, you can, obviously. I did it yesterday for Soham, and I'd love to see your work. I'd love to see everyone's work, to be honest. It makes me happy, like, to see others' work. So yeah, no problem with that. If you finished it, share it to us, and we'll take a look at it together. All right, perfect. So yeah, Campfire or Sign Dog, Your client wants you to build an online store. So you are thinking either doing it all from scratch, which I don't recommend unless you really like to do that, or leveraging Shopify platform. Once again, there's so many factors that you need to consider. Mostly money. If I have a client and they want me to build like an online store, the first question is how much money you have. How much money you have, man? If you can pay me to build an online store from scratch, I'd do it. But like, is there a difference between building it with Next.js or Hydrogen? Yeah, I would say so. I think Hydrogen is using Remix, right? Yeah, Remix. So it's different. Yeah, Next.js is using either app or page for routes, whereas Remix is kind of different approach. So honestly, I'd recommend using Hydrogen because it's already integrated anyway. That client wants some AI integration. Oh, I mean, it's pretty simple to integrate AI with other web application. I assume there is a Node library for that, or a Yarn library for that. We just, I think it's gonna be easy to integrate. Correct? Okay, I hope that answers some of your question. I'm just going to minimize this for now, and we can start working on our online store. So Shopify dev. Yeah, but can that be done in Hydrogen as well? Yes. At the end of the day, it's still a web application, and you can always install a library. That's why it's called headless. It's now really connected to Shopify entirely. So you're basically building your own e-commerce online store. Okay. Let's log into our development store because we need that password. At this point, I should know the password instead of going back and forth to that page. Preferences. Scroll down. Lake Hay. Okay, perfect. So let's start with a page that don't exist. There you go. So 404 not found. Oops, looks like you are lost. Go back. And you should go back to the home page. So let's start designing this. Let's start by looking online a design, like on just a for Tailwind, CSS, 404 page. Maybe we can find inspiration. This one looks okay, and then we can just change the image. Yeah, most of the time this is how I work with like themes. Like just look up some designs and trying to customize them, or like use it as an inspiration. It doesn't need to be like too much though. Okay, look up somewhere else. I want it to be very, very simple. Perhaps like something like this. Looks fine to me. I don't want it to look too detailed, if I can say that. Okay. Yeah, this one works. Yeah, this one works. Let's copy this and go back to VS Code and just paste it here. Okay. Now we can just start working on its setting schema. That way we can change the text, etc. All right. Let's save this. Let's go back to our browser, and there you have it. We have it. This thing here, I don't like that it's using a viewport's width and a viewport height. And I don't like the idea that all of these classes are like that. So let's just fix that. Okay, perfect. Now, what else can we fix? I think the reason why there is a gap here because we're using container, which is fine. I don't think that's an issue. But let's get rid of that background because it's not necessary in our case. There you go. I think that works like that. Now, maybe we can just get rid of the shadow here. And maybe that works. But instead, let's just add like a margin of like 10. There you go. I think that works fine to me. Now we can start working on the setting schema. Do you guys know how to do that? Obviously, we're going to use a schema and we'll just call it 404 page. And for the setting, we're going to create a new setting. What are the settings that we're going to need for this? Obviously, we're going to need like a heading title and then a text for this and another text for this. Okay. Or maybe we don't need to change this because, I mean, that's 404. It needs to be 404. Maybe we just need to, or we can just allow merchants to customize this part. Okay. So let's just leave this as is. We want to change this. Let's do that. What are the settings that we need? Obviously, the text. Let's make it a rich text so they can add like boldness or italic, maybe a list. Let's make it a rich text. And for its ID, we'll call it 404 text. And then for the default, we'll just copy or just type, oops. It should be wrapped with paragraph. Oops. Pop-ups. Oops. Page not found. Okay, so that's just one thing that you need to keep in mind. If you're using rich text, the default value is always wrapped with like a HTML tag. It doesn't matter if it's like a paragraph tag or span tag or div. It should be wrapped with an HTML tag. From Anand, hey, welcome to the stream once again. It's day 4, day 5. Maybe day 5 of our stream. Welcome. Good to see you once again. And from Marco Antonio, welcome. Hi. How are you guys doing? Are you guys celebrating Christmas? I like asking that question. How's everything on your end? Okay. Let me just add here the label as well. Text or paragraph. Primary text. Guess we can call it primary text because there's primary and there's secondary. I'm Italian. I know English very well. I'm glad to know that. I am glad to know that. So hopefully you can understand everyone here. This is great. Yeah. Shout out to Italy. I love pasta. I'm sorry. No, seriously. One of my favorites is a pesto. I love making them. I hope that's not something offensive to say, but I don't mean any offense. Okay, I'll just keep going. So the settings. So we have the rich text 404. There's going to be the page not found text, and we'll call it a primary text. And we'll create another rich text for this. Okay. Same thing. We can just copy this. But instead of like, you know what, let's change this. We'll call it 404 primary text. Or we can just get rid of 404. That's not really a big deal. This one we'll call it secondary. Okay. And now we can use here the object section, okay, dot settings, and the ID of the setting. That's going to be the primary text. That's right. And for the second one, we'll do the same thing. It's going to be section dot settings dot secondary text this time. Now the problem here is that it's a paragraph tag. Since it's a rich text, the paragraphs are going to be nested. Okay. So we don't want that. So we'll turn this into a div. And this time, we'll just get rid of this. We want to make sure that whatever we give this whatever value this setting is holding, we'll put it as a raw value. You know what? Let's just try it. Let's just try it for now. Let's save that. And while we try it from SignDog, so all these section files are defined by Shopify themselves. I mean, technically they are predefined. Yeah. Yeah, because you can't really create. Oh wait, hold on. I think I'm answering it incorrectly. That's a mistake. I keep getting distracted by all of this like heart and fireworks going on my right side. So I didn't really understand the question. Hold on, before I read the next question. The sections are not defined by Shopify themselves. You need to create it yourself. I would say the defined are the templates. But still, you need to create them. You need to set them up correctly. So best motivation speaker. Bro, I have purchased our course in Udemy. Please make one video how can call API in theme app extension. First of all, thank you for taking my course on Udemy. Second of all, how can we call an API in theme app extension? Yes, I haven't covered that part yet. So perhaps we can do that as well. Yeah. I want to cover that. I will cover that probably next year. Like next month. I mean, there's so many things that I need to fix first, because there are updates that were made, and I need to fix some lessons, and that's the priority. From Marco Antonio, I subscribed and liked. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the community, and I hope you enjoy your stay here. From Cyan Dog, but you need to name them and create them according to Shopify predefined structure, right? For section files, there's no such thing as like structure that you need to follow. For templates, yes. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that layout, inside of the layout, there should be a theme.liquid, also password.liquid. There should be something in that directory. And templates, you should have all of these files. The account, the customers files, 404 article blog. These are predefined, quote unquote. You should have those files. The same file name, same, it's either liquid or a JSON template. Okay. For snippets, doesn't matter. It could be empty. For section files, you can like name this whatever you want. It's fine. For locales, it's fine too, as long as you have an English JSON file. And yeah. Oh, and most importantly, your configuration files. Your settings data.json and then settings schema.json. They should be here. Okay. So from Leak Hunter, how to see Netflix API. Go to google.com and type Netflix API. Is that the answer you're looking for? Okay. Next one, can we call our own APIs in theme app extension? Technically, yeah. If you use like, let me just confirm honestly. Maybe I'm wrong. Shopify theme app extension. Let's confirm it together. So let's take a look at the frameworks. Yes, you can call APIs because it can have like a JavaScript file. As long as there's a JavaScript file, you can call an API. Yeah. For next one, Marco Antonio, I will go. I wish everyone a good life and Christmas. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, Marco Antonio. Shout out to Italy. Much love, and I send you and your family best wishes and the same thing. Good life and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time. Feel free to join us next time. From Leak Hunter, say, I don't know how to pronounce that. And I don't even know what that means. Should we risk that? I don't know. From Cyan Dog, is there a way to scaffold everything needed to start, or do you create these directories yourself? Well, once again, if you use Shopify CLI, all these directories files are created for you. But you can also create them yourself. As long as you have the files that I said. Yeah. Technically, all you need is this. The assets, the config, the layout, locales, sections, snippets, templates to create a Shopify theme. From Leak Hunter, please show me Netflix API, and if you do. Unfortunately, we're more focused on Shopify theme development or Shopify app development, so I'm not sure I can do that. I'm sorry. Maybe in the future, if we're running out of content, I can do that. From Marco Antonio, hey, back again. Welcome back. I'd say that. What happened? I thought you were leaving. From Soham Paul. Yes, I checked your yesterday stream. Awesome. I'm glad you did. I hope I answered your question, or I hope you found what you're looking for. From Best Motivation Speaker. When I'm calling REST API, it's giving 404 error, but when I call in other place, then it works. As guess why I'm also using proxy. Okay, that's a good point. Maybe it's because of like course. Maybe that's the reason why. Look at the error that it's producing. Maybe it's saying a message there, like in your console. Usually the issue is the course. CORS. From Marco Antonio, my life is good. I am happy to know that. Everyone should be having a good life at this point. Leak Hunter, okay, no problem, bro. You know botnet stealer. Can you explain? Unfortunately, I'm not going to talk about other things because I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what that is. As much as possible, I'd like to focus on Shopify related questions, if that's even possible. Maybe that's unfair. Thank you. Please make a short video how we can call API in theme app extension and post detail, please. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can do that. I'll try to make a video about that. I haven't actually made any video about theme app extensions or something close to that topic. So yeah, that's a good suggestion. I'll take that. From Soham Paul. I noticed that the chat is much quicker now. So I'm really happy that's working. So there's not much latency at this point. I have a request. Okay, tell me, please. No worries at all. Best motivation speaker. Okay. So yeah, I'll wait for some of your messages. And while we're doing that, we can continue with our hold on, let me just check our Twitch stream. Maybe I'm receiving messages there. No, unfortunately not. There's not even a viewer. So yeah, so I forgot to talk about this. I was multi-streaming. I'm streaming on YouTube and I'm streaming on Twitch because that was a discussion yesterday. So what do you recommend for getting into Shopify development? Like what resources? I mean, Shopify developer documentation is really good. So that's a good resource. Google is also the best resource for like looking up resources. Which is great. I mean, WeeklyHow, I mean, I'm a good resource, I guess. Don't you guys agree? I would say I'm a good resource. Doesn't sound nice at all. I feel like an object. Ugh. Shoot. From Leak Hunter, I will gift you Remini 1 year subscription. Thank you. I don't know what that is, but thank you. I can saw your purchase course. I have made the app. Okay. Anyway, let's just continue with the entire thing development. I keep getting distracted. Where is the browser? Here we go. Okay. So that means we have the primary text and then the secondary text. I believe we can customize that in the customizer page. So let's open that link. Open. And what was the password again? There we go. Hold on. It didn't open. Why is it not opening? Weird. Ah, there we go. So I was clicking the wrong link. It was the second one. Okay, let's go to the 404. Should be the others. This one. So now we can change the primary, secondary. What was the text before? It should be the page you're looking for doesn't exist. Let's copy that. And let me just redo everything. And go back to the customizer page and paste it here. Let's save that. And let's also go back here and change the default to this. All right. And while we're at it, let's add margins to those, or padding to this. Let's add a padding Y. Or perhaps, since this is flex, we can add a gap vertically and make it 5. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. It seems everything you do gets saved to Shopify backend and you can edit in their platform. Actually, no. The reason why you feel that way, and that's because I'm creating the default. But it doesn't save unless we push our changes. So let me give you an example. Okay? Let me give you an example. Here in the customizer page, let's change the title to Hello World. And this will change it to Hey from YouTube. Let's save that. I'm going to save that, okay? And now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn off Shopify CLI. Now it's stopped, right? Let's just reload this so it doesn't work. Hold on. So it's still here. Let me try to run it again. Let me try to run it. Shopify theme dev. To be honest, it should not save unless it's already fixed, because that was an issue before. Like if you're working with your Shopify theme project and you have like schema settings that you need to change, like inputs, stuff like that, you save it locally. But once you turn off your Shopify CLI and go back to your project once again, all those settings is gone. Like sections, for example. They are not saved. Right? So it's back to this now. So they're not saved. Now they're using the default value because here we change it, right? In the customizer. Let's go back here. So if we open once again the 404 page, it's back to oops, page not found. So they're not saved locally. That's it's still an issue, apparently. So in order to save those settings, you need to push it to your development store. Okay, let me just go back to your questions or to your chat. From Leak Hunter, what are you doing? Why are you posting your credit? Don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Let me just no, I can't even hide it. Please don't post your credit card information here or whatever that is. I appreciate that. Thank you. From Bleach Thai, I'm late again. Welcome. Welcome back. The legend is finally back. How are you doing? Are you celebrating Christmas today? Tonight? I mean, it's already too late, I assume there. From Soham Paul, how to create app using Mern stack. What's in the back end? What's in the back end? Hold on, I'm already too lost. Bro, please also update your Udemy React Node. Yeah, here's the thing with the React Node JavaScript Shopify app development course. It is too outdated. Honestly, yeah, thought about it. But everything is going to be replaced from scratch. And I might as well, instead of like updating them, I might as well just create from scratch because that's just how outdated it is. But I don't know. I can't promise. I might do some updates in there, but it's just too unorganized to be honest. Oh yeah, you mentioned yesterday you're going to travel to UAE. I hope everything's gonna be okay. No worries. Also, have you noticed? Do you notice that there's no latency anymore? Like if you type your chat, it's it's shown quicker than before. So it's great. Where's my phone? Hold on, let me just film myself. I need to like promote it somehow. Okay. Let me go back to your chat. I can purchase December 2023, but course is 2022. Yeah, I mean, it says like 2022, but it's quite outdated because time flies, man. Shopify CLI, when that was released, yeah, that course got drowned immediately. That's why it has a bad review, which I'm saddened to hear. I'm saddened to see. But yeah, I'll do my very best to put some updates on it. Yeah, with this just whole thing, so many things to do. I'm overwhelmed. Yeah, there's so much work. I am so sorry. You see, obviously this is not the only thing I'm doing. I hope I'm just doing live stream. I hope I'm just doing WeeklyHow. But no. I have internship. I also need to work on my other stuff, my school stuff, because I'm graduating next year. At least that's. I hope I'm not jinxing that. Imagine I fail and don't graduate, and I'm gone. So it was because of stream latency. No, the problem was my resolution because I was streaming like 4K. So I downsized it to 1080p and I set up the latency to very low, and now it's better. But my control panel is still saying some warnings. So, bro, in promoting era. Yeah, I mean, we need to promote it somehow. How are you guys doing on Discord? I haven't taken a look at it in a while. I don't think anyone's like posting anything. So, okay, not much happening here. From Leak Hunter, once again, no, I'm not interested with the um the entire thing. I apologize. Thank you though. I appreciate it. And please, if any one of you can see this, don't use that. Don't use any credit card information that's being shown on this stream. I'll try to manage that in the future. Like all these spams should not be tolerated. And it's no offense to Leak Hunter. Maybe you have a good intention, but no, I'm sorry. I can't even see it in the chat box. I can only put the user on timeout, but I think that's mean. There you go. Maybe I'll make you a moderator, Bleached. Maybe I'll rank you up. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. But yeah, please, I'm not interested with the entire thing. If you want to support the channel, obviously there are many ways to do that. There's tip. It's in the description below. You can do a super chat. And it's even gonna show in the stream the message you're going to send. That's the way to support it. But if you want to send like private information, I don't encourage that. I am sorry. Okay. So you guys can keep talking. I'll just continue this. And we can just create a new setting schema or setting for the button. Okay. Let's go back in here. I'll do another setting. The type is going to be text because it's going to be a button, right? So text. And this is going to be for that button. So we'll call it primary button, because maybe in the future you'd like to create another button. You can call it secondary button. And the default value is going to be go back. And then the label is going to be primary button text. And next up is for the URL. So we'll add type, and it should be URL, and the ID is going to be primary button URL, and we should have a label, and we'll call it primary button URL. Okay, so let's save this. I really like what's happening in the chat. Oh, there is an error. So we have an error that says section type does not refer to an existing section file. And there's also a problem here. It says invalid JSON in tag. And that is because we added this. We should not have that. So let's save it. And now it's updated. But there's this thing, list collections.json. There's no type template list collection. Okay. Oh, the reason why is because the file name of this is incorrect. It should be list collections. It should be good. Okay. Let me just push that because that is a mistake. So what we're going to do is just commit that. Fix file name typo for template list collections dot liquid. Okay, let's push that. What is going on in the chat? I just disappeared for a moment and you guys are talking about curry. MBA Technica or Technics. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Shout out to Belgium. Thank you for joining us. I'm supposed to go there. Belgium. Freak, I lost my passport. You need to try butter chicken with garlic. You're making me hungry. I'm already hungry. My stomach is like grumbling. Don't mind that. Okay. Okay, so you guys can keep talking. You guys can keep talking and I'm gonna leave you. I'm just gonna keep working on this project then, if you guys don't mind. I like that you guys don't mind us. Just talking. Okay, let me give you some privacy. Okay, so next up what I'm going to do is just use those settings for the anchor tag. So first of all is the href. We're going to use the section that settings, and it should be the primary button text, right? And that's a problem. The ID should be button underscore text. Let's copy that, paste it here. And no, it's not supposed to be the text, it's supposed to be the URL. And that should be here, the text. So section dot settings dot primary button text. Awesome. So we can save this. And you see, this is another thing. We need to again check if the settings is set before we display it. Losing your passport is the most asked thing. I agree. Yeah, that was dumb. That was so dumb. Honestly, I blame myself for that. Like, I shouldn't have lost it. Like, that was so stupid. And not just that, I didn't just lose my passport, I lost my laptop as well. And all my projects are gone. So, dumb, right? Where's Weekly from though? First of all, my name is Bernard. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Yeah. How did you lose it? I lost it because I went to TGV, which is it's like a train here in France, which is fast, and I took a train. I was so like I thought it's gonna be okay if I leave my stuff, so I put my stuff on my seat, and I went to the toilet. And this is like before the train started. I went to the toilet, and when I got back, it's gone. I panicked. I went to police or the employees of the company, the train company, and they were not able to help me. And I was just, it's destroyed or it's gone. What up, Bernard? Yeah, finally. Yeah, that's my name. Thank you so much, Sign Dog. Nice to meet you. Je suis Bernard. Oui, je parle français, mais c'est pas très bien. Je t'en peux, ok? Ouais, c'est ça. Okay. Yeah, once again, what is he saying anyway? Anyone know how to log in Facebook or any site account without OTP, without mail pass? I might as well just ban you. Damn. Sad. Yeah, it was really unfortunate. It doesn't even have an accent. What do you mean? My French? That's a compliment. I'll take that. I bet he's 12 or something. I don't know. I think I'm gonna ban him. Yeah, or maybe just report. Okay, so I reported him, and I'm sorry, that's a bit too mean, and I don't like doing that. But please, as much as possible, all those things should not be discussed. I mean, what he's saying is a bit illegal, huh? Je vais donner peut-être à tout à... Ah, ok. Okay. Well, bon appétit. Bon appétit. Any plan to launch your paid course? Shopify app development, React, Node. Yeah, like I said earlier, I do have a plan to do that. Okay, now my thing is bugging. Hold on. What happened? Okay, there it is. Any plan? Yeah, like I said, I'm going to a plan. At least this is just a plan. I'm going to create a course for that Shopify app development again. I really want to be productive next year. That's one of my goals. Were you born in the Philippines and then moved? Yes, I dog. I grew up in the Philippines and I just moved here in France in 2022. So it was just a year and a half. Merci, de rien. C'est pas grave. Pas de souci. From Sign Dog, or do you speak French in Philippines? No. No. I just learned French. And it's not even perfect yet. But it's fun. I'm having fun learning it. I'm reading like a manga in French, and that's how I like trying to learn it word by word. Okay. Fancy. I mean, French is kind of fancy. The language itself. I love it. I gotta go eat. Okay, eat well, Bleach. Bon appetit as well. Enjoy it. You're making me hungry. I love butter chicken. Why are you doing this? Man's gonna get that curry. Okay, let's move on. You guys can keep the conversation going, but I believe we're pretty much good with the 404. We just need to check again the link. So if, and the condition is if section, not that section, dot settings, dot primary button text, and section dot settings that primary button URL is set, then we'll display that button. Okay, save that, and now that button should not be displayed because it's empty, or the URL is empty. Awesome. Now that Bleach is gone, I can't talk to anyone else. I only talk to diplomatic allies. Shit. Sorry, man. Bleach, come back! Come back! Oh, see? You guys can keep talking. Go for it. You see, this is what I like. Keep talking. You're helping the algorithm. But you guys are making me hungry. I swear to God. Okay, we're pretty much done with the template 404. I'm gonna leave it at that. Perhaps change the color. Instead of purple or blue, we'll turn it to green. And maybe turn it to 800. So it's a bit dark, like that. See, it's perfect. And this one too, like the button. What is the class? Text blue, let's turn it to green. Yeah, it should be green. And this should be green as well. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the template setting or the template section of 404. So let's push that. I'll push everything. So git commit m, and then the message is going to be completely done. And this one is for the 404 template. Oops. Okay, I think that's good. Let's push. There we go. Great. Okay, now I'm curious actually. What is your age? 29. Okay, damn, you're even older than me. I'm just 27. And Bleach, you're just 17. A young chicken eater. I'm pretty sure someone is under 17 here. One of us. There's a imposter. I'm your father. Better respect me. Yes, dad. Yes, dad. We respect you. That's true. That's definitely. Okay. He's gonna be best friend at the end of this day. And that's looking really good. I love that. Send love. Alright. You can be my dad then. Where's my gift? Where's my Christmas gift, dad? Usually dads, they do have gifts to their children. Where are they? PS5. Never mind, I'm not your dad anymore. Which reminds me of this, like, there's YouTuber here. It's like, dad, I am not your dad. That was funny. You better respect me. I'm your dad. And then 1 second later, can you give me PS5? You're my dad, right? Quit. It's giving season. You guys should be giving each other something. You guys should be giving me something. I'm giving you free content. You guys are lucky you have PS5. I don't have anything. I'm living like minimalistly. PS is the best console ever made. If I want to be honest with you, the only gaming console I've had is, you know, those like console where you have to insert like disc, like a cartridge or something. What do you call that? gaming console cartridge. This things. This is the only gaming console I had. My dream is to live a simple life. Same, honestly, same. You know, just live in front of a beach. Not beach, like beach. Okay. You old man. Okay, I don't encourage this, the disrespect. We gotta respect Cyan Dog. He's 29 years old. No, 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 no. What I was saying is I want to live in a place where it's just birds and ocean and white sand, and no one else lives there. It's just me. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. If I have those girls, then why not, I guess. Can't complain. Can't complain. I don't even know if we have girls in this stream. Imagine we have girls right now on this stream. At maximum we just have like 10 people. That's the maximum people we had so far. Imagine there's like one girl in there. You guys are gonna go crazy. Just spit some French game in their ears, GG. Bonsoir, madame. Comment ça va? Something like that. Ugh. Yeah, you guys are crazy. Cyan Dog, you're leaving us for real. How long have I been streaming anyway? Oh, it's been 2 hours. Honestly, I'm gonna end this soon in like 20 minutes. I wanna go out. Yeah, no worries, Cyan Dog. I had fun. I had fun with you. Thank you so much for joining us. It's great. There's gotta be more, obviously. So, yeah, no pressure at all. Always gonna be here every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That is the schedule of our stream every week. I didn't even know what we did today in Shopify. I mean, you guys have been talking. You're not even paying attention to what I'm doing. No, but no, but seriously, we did the 404. That's pretty much it. We didn't do that much. I mean, I said earlier the plan is just to chill because it was holidays and I don't want to I, I don't want to make this too serious. And today, special day for all of us, and it's just chill. Even if we at the same time, obviously, we try to make progress, but at the same time, we can be chill. All right, Sign Dog, thank you so much for joining once again. I'll see you soon. Take care and happy holidays. Merry Christmas to you and to your family. All right. Okay. See you next week. All right. So for now, we still have a couple of minutes left. It's almost 2 hours, and that's where I'm also going to ditch out. But we have Discord, so if you guys want to talk, you guys can talk there. So yeah, I honestly I need to work on this as well. Maybe I can do some moderation, add some settings to make it at least secured. Because I don't even know if that's secured. Maybe someone can just post links like what the earlier guy has been doing. You know, that's one of my worries actually with this whole live streaming thing. And if there's just like a suspicious person and he joins or she joins and start posting weird stuff, then we're pretty much gone. You could make me a moderator and we could make it. Yeah, I'll make you a moderator. I trust you. Let me give you a moderator. But first of all, post an image. Give yourself a profile image, like something, you know, respectable. But yeah, I'm going to make you a moderator. Okay, I'll turn you into a standard moderator. There you go. Now you are a moderator. You can do whatever you want, I guess. There you go. See, you have a wrench thing on you. Okay, guys, it doesn't mean everyone can be a moderator. I'm just too biased. This is another thing, okay? I love you guys equally. That for sure. But I think Bleach is a good moderator. Will be a good moderator. I'll do that later, okay? Let's do things step by step. I can make you a moderator as well on Discord. Let's do that one step at a time because I also need to learn about Discord. I don't know much about it. Yeah, we can do that. For sure. I appreciate your offers. I appreciate it. From ARS Gaming, J Shriram. Hey, welcome to our stream. I am not sure what that means, but thank you for joining. From Bash, LOL Lindas. What is going on? What did you do, Bleach? Is this your doing? What is J Shriram though? Now I'm curious. Do you know what that means? Oh, it's basically an expression in Indic languages translating as glory to Lord Rama or victory to Lord Rama. Where are these people coming from? Am I being raided? What is going on? Now we have like 12 people. Okay, this is weird though, okay? I appreciate you guys joining. What's going on? I'm actually really lost. Yeah. I've looked it up. It's basically God name. There's spammer. Yeah, I can see that. I can say that's a spam. Okay, now we have 17 people. I'm actually really lost. I'm out of words. This is the maximum people that we've had so far. We have 15 plus people. 17. The handy hacker. Oh, let me just look it up. What's going on? So I'm quite confused about how is that even like possible that we are getting this much people. Am I getting raid? Someone probably watched my stream and then look at my channel. Okay, the question from Deepti Ranjan Malik. Where are you from, brother? I'm from the Philippines. And Bleach is from India. What is going on? No. Hold on. I'll give it a minute. I'll give it a minute or two. I'm actually really curious. And no, I am not saying anything, any words that you guys want me to say. I am not doing that. And this is the thing, Bleached. I made you a moderator and then you get a job to do. Maybe it's meant to be, meant to happen. This is great. You already have to moderate people. That's great. But hold on, let's chill down for a little bit, Bleached. Let them do their thing. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't understand what's going on. Obviously, there are words that they're saying, and obviously, I don't know much about it. I'm that naive. But I'm curious. Like, how is that? How is this even possible? Like, what happened? From Mystery Man. Thank you for the super chat. It's okay. It's okay. Let's pipe it down for a little bit. Oh, they're coming from Telegram. But who shared it? Who shared this? I mean, appreciate the promotion, but if any of you guys, like the previous viewers or previous, probably posted it on a group chat, and now everyone is just saying a bunch of cool stuff, I guess. I don't know. From Kavia, hello. Hello, welcome to our used to be small stream, and now it's big, I guess, because we're like 20 people here now. A female. It's bold of you, Bleach, to assume that that's a female. Yeah, I think I understood it. I made my own research. I looked it up, and yeah, it's a basically an expression, which now I understood. So Kavia is a female name. Gotcha. Well, regardless, we don't discriminate here. Welcome everyone, and I hope we don't do any weird stuff on this stream. But it is really great. Whoever brought these people here, now that I think about it, maybe it's the guy before. Remember, Bleach, the one who's been trying to send like credit card information. Maybe it's him. Hey Marcel, welcome back. Welcome back. Good to see you. Yeah, something happened. Weird thing happened. Weird things happened. Yeah, maybe him. And now we have reached 20 people, and I think someone posted our live stream on a group chat. And now we're being watched by a lot of people. Yeah. This is a learning experience, okay? But if any of you don't have any idea what's happening here, we are a bunch of Shopify developers and we're working on a Shopify theme. Yeah, I guess that was the leak hunter before. Because we timed out him and maybe he posted it on somewhere. Well, I don't think that's an issue. It is a cybersecurity group. I don't know what's going on. To be honest, I'm very, very confused. Okay. But I'm gonna be honest, we are actually done anyway. It's been 2 hours, so I'm gonna end the stream here. But thank you everyone for joining. Wherever you guys came from, I uh, I guess I appreciate it. I mean, I'll take whatever. No, Bleach. I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm not gonna go to that conclusion. Maybe there is a reason why. From Raju Yadav. Hello. Hello. I would say the same thing. Hello to you. Well, here's the thing. If in the next stream, which is next week, if, if we run the same stream and then we get the same people, that means, yeah, it's a raid or it's a spam. But if it's just, again, the five of us, Bleach, Soham, who else? Uh, Sign Dog, and the rest of people I can remember. If it's just us, then that means, yeah. No, don't ban them. Don't ban them. Here's the thing, Bleach. As a moderator, I want you to look at spams. You know, something suspicious. But I think some of them are okay. I don't mind those. I don't mind those, like the expressions, whatever. But if they start sending links, yeah, then that's a problem. But let's not go to that conclusion yet that there are like spammers or scammers. I wouldn't go to that conclusion. Okay, so this scammer channel from Telegram shared my channel. Okay. Why would he even do that in the first place? I don't understand. Yeah, it's the one earlier that posted that credit card information saying that he is gonna give me a gift or something, which is oddly enough. I mean, if you can, if you want to support the channel, there's multiple ways to do that. He was salty, I guess. Perhaps, yeah. Hi, MBA Techniques. Welcome back. How can I find pages in my code? I'm not sure I understood what you mean. It's not a scammer channel, but it is a mixed channel of all content. He just likes to make name and fame. Okay. At the end of the day, we're not allowing any URLs here. That's the only thing I'd like you, Bleach, to look at. Like just URLs. And another thing, yeah, I need to work on stream elements once again, because I need to make sure that some words are blocked, and that's probably what I'm gonna do this week while we're waiting for the next stream. Gaming World, yes, this scammer channel you go and check out. No, I am not going to check any channel. From Hawk, not URLs. He want to show you that where is this people coming from. Yeah, which I understood. It's from a Telegram. It's a Telegram group, private group, I would assume, or public group. Anyway, I think I get the point. I understood now. I was shared by someone on a Telegram, and now all of you are here. Fine. All I can say right now is happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I know this is weird. I didn't really expect this to happen. We were just having fun here. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end this stream here. You're worrying for no reason. I mean, these people have way more free time than yours. You don't need to worry anyways. I mean, I agree, yeah. But I have no experience with like live streaming. That's the main reason. And obviously I don't want to risk other people's, there's always a way to take advantage of people. And that's what we're trying to avoid. But no, I'm not really worried that much. I'm just confused, to be honest. But thank you. Thank you, Hawk. I guess you're a good person after all. From Chan Lei, I've created the sample one, but I cannot share the resources link via this chat. Obviously, yeah, you can. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end this stream right here. We're gonna have to come back next week, Friday. You guys know the drill. I'll see you all there. But yeah, before I end it, I'm gonna have a bunch of content coming. My last video. I'm going to post a YouTube short this week. I'm also going to post my my final video this year this week. So there's something to look for to to watch this week. And final stream for this year, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and thank you so much once again for joining. I'll see you all next time. Bleach, thank you for moderating. Thank you for making sure that everything is okay. And thank you to everyone who joined earlier and for helping us creating the Shopify theme. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye. Abiatu.